How to change reason in Valorant. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can change reason in Valorant. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser. First of all, you need to log in into your Valorant account. For that, type in www.valorantplayvalorant.com. It's going to direct you to the official web page of Valorant. So right over here, you'll need to click on the sign in button and log in your account by entering your credential. Click on the sign in button. Now enter credential, that includes entering your username and then a password and login into your account. As soon as you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page and you'll need to open up a new. Since you'll not be able to make changes with your reason from the site itself, so you'll need to go to the support center. For that, on the web address bar, you'll need to type in support.whitescheme.com. This is going to direct you to the support center page. From here, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to select Valorant. So after that, you down a bit and you'll be able to find submit a ticket button. You'll need to click on it and it's going to direct you to help center page. Over here, once again, scroll down a bit and select the request type. So for that, you need to go ahead and select account management, data, or deletion. As you can see, you've been directed to this page where you need to submit a request. So for that, first of all, in the subject, so that's going to be change account reason. Enter the detail of your description. After that, you need to enter in your description in detail. Just basically type in hi request for change in reason. After that, you'll need to provide in your username. Along with that, you also provide in your information such as your current location and all that. After that, you'll need to type in or select your inquiry. So for that, go ahead and select account management. Once you've done that, enter in your login name. Once again, you'll need to select your account inquiry. So for that, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to go ahead and tap on need help changing reason of residence. Once you've done that, click on the check button. After that, the request will be submitted and it's going to take approximately 24 to 48 hours to look into your matter. So till then, wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way, you can change your reason on Valorant. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.